Okay, this is the first, maybe the only time I'm doing this. So McDonald's has a chicken Big Mac. And so I decided I will get a Big Mac and a Chicken Mac and just compare. Now, actually, I'll take a temporary break to show what I'm about to talk about with the donuts. So yeah, as you can see from yesterday, Thursday, October 10th, until Monday, October 14th, Krispy Kreme is doing a special. You bring your receipt from McDonald's of that day, and it has to be a same day thing, and they will give you a free glazed. So while I was thinking, the new Chicken Mac, I might as well grab myself a free glazed. So I went from McDonald's and over to Krispy Kreme just because. And okay, so while I was there, I saw they had Ghostbusters donuts. And so what I did was, now the Slimer one, I asked what exactly it was. They said it was like their lemon-filled donuts, and I love the lemon-filled donuts. Well, only because I like lemon. I should probably do a sour thing to show the lemon flavors of stuff because I love lemon. Anyway, I figure, all right, since I'm doing a comparison of the Big Mac versus the Chicken Mac, I know it's Chicken Big Mac. I'm calling it a Chicken Mac. So I might as well compare the two donuts, the lemon-filled ones. You'll notice, though, that there is no cheese. That's because I have a dairy allergy, so I ordered them without cheese. I also ordered them without pickles because I just haven't found a pickle I really liked. What I will do is I was going to cut it in half. I will cut it in half and then I will continue. Okay. So, there's the Chicken Mac, there's the Big Mac. Let's show I cut you in half. There we go. So that looks like a Big Mac. And the chicken one. It looks similar to the Big Mac. So it looks like a Big Mac. I will taste it. Yeah, behind the camera I will taste it. If this even comes off. So I'll take a bite out of this Big Mac. Okay. That's how a Big Mac tastes. I actually love the Big Macs, so now to try the chicken one. Okay, so other than getting my phone a little messy, I have to clean my phone. it does have a different taste. So there's that. Then again, it's a different meat. Made in a different way. It's their fried chicken patty or breaded chicken patty or whatever it is, rather than actual beef patty. Yeah, I figure I would clean my phone there. So while it looks like a Big Mac, it doesn't quite taste like a Big Mac. However, the way it's made sort of reminds me of a Big Mac. So, my opinion, I prefer the original Big Mac, but, you know, I'll try the Chicken Mac again. I think I'm willing to have it. If they said, all right, no more cows, there's only chicken, I might go for that one. Otherwise, no, the Big Mac is much better. Now for the lemon donut, or lemon-filled donut, that is. Okay. I will try this. Yep. That's a lemon-filled donut. Slimer, I'm told, is just a sugar thing, so I'll set him aside for now because I'm doing a comparison. These look like jelly-filled donuts, or lemon-filled donuts, that is. It's green, but I'm told that it's the lemon filling with the green curd, or green curd with the green food coloring. So, yes, it does taste like a little off from the lemon filling. Then again, it might be because of the food coloring. I can taste the lemon. It might be the slime they have drizzled on top. Who knows? So, between those two, yes. Looks like a lemon-filled donut. And it basically tastes like a lemon-filled donut. And yes, it reminds me of a lemon-filled donut. I'll now try Slimer himself. Reminds me of those wafer-thin things, so there you have it. My review of the Big Mac comparison with the Chicken Mac, as well as the lemon-filled versus the Slimer from Krispy Kreme. End of video.